Hi everybody, this is our first video for our course. I will explain for you how to download Unity for our machines. I haven't Unity here in my machine, so I will search at first here for Unity. Okay, and I will enter this or this link. Okay, whatever I will download here, I will download for Windows. If you have another versions like Mac or another thing, you can download using download another thing. You can choose here Mac or Linux, something like that. Okay, I will download for Windows. Now I will save this program. After that, I will install this program. It's called Unity Hub. Unity Hub is very important because you will find everything in this hub. Okay, if you want to install programs or to open projects or to open the community of Unity, you can see everything here in Unity Hub. Okay, that's good. Now I will open the file, and here I will set up my Unity Hub like that. I install. After that, I will from Unity Hub I will install the recommended version. Now I will run Unity Hub, finish, and I will run my Unity Hub. Okay, allow, I will give the allow for Unity Hub. Here I will don't ask me, and I will skip these steps. And here I will see my installs. I can here see my project if I have a project. And here I have all the project, but now I didn't have the program, so it will be it gives me that I couldn't open the programs for yet or the project for yet. Here installs, I must see my programs here. Here learn, if I want to search for any information, tutorials, I can find my tutorials here. Unity, if I have a problem and I want to search for to solve of this problem, I can find solution here. Okay, I will go for installs, and here I will install editor, and I will choose this my recommended version. He's saying for me that this is the recommended version. Okay, because maybe if you want to open this one, if you want to download these versions, maybe some of here is very old, 2020, and this is very new, but this is good version because maybe there is no problems in these versions. Maybe in this is old and this is new, and maybe it will be beta version, and maybe you can find problems in this beta version. Okay, here I will install, and I will choose Visual Studio, and here I will choose Android build support. Okay, if you want another one like iOS or something like that, you can choose, but it will be easy. We will not speak about iOS. We can install this in another time. If I want to install my game for iOS, to export iOS file, so I can install this in my program. Now I will start installing 0 of 11. At first, as I can see here, he is downloading many things. At first, he will download Visual Basic Community, and he is now also downloading editor. Okay, and when he will finish something, he will download another thing. So we will wait to download all of this. Okay. as you can see everybody, now I downloaded everything. Now he will start, as you can see, he will start to install. What he did, he downloaded all components, but now he will start to install the components. For example, now he is installing the editor application, and after that he will start to install Microsoft Visual Studio Community 2018. After that he will do it the same with all components, as we can see now. Now he is installing this, and we are waiting to finish the installing of editor application. Now I can see this icon. This is my Unity, and this is a version of Unity. Okay, and after finishing the editor application installing, he will go for this components that I told you, and he will give me a message. Now he will say for me that you must, yes, Visual Studio. I will Visual Studio installer. I will continue. Now he will download and install the program. Now he asking me about the important things that I need. I will choose Unity. Okay, and also I will choose Universal Windows Platform Development. Okay, and it will be good for me, and I will install these two things. Now I will wait to finish the installing of Visual Studio. He will download this here, downloading of verifying, downloading and verifying is 333 gigabyte. Installing packaging, it will take he will install 384 components. So I will wait to finish this downloading. That's okay, everybody. Now we can see that he finished the installing of Visual Studio Installer and Visual Studio Community 2018. After finishing, we will use the program of Unity, and in the next video I will teach you how to work with Visual Studio and with Unity. But here at first I can launch the program of Visual Studio, and I not now he want from me to sign in with a Microsoft account, but I will say maybe later. I will use, for example, this dark scene, and I will start the program. Now this is the first, is starting the program for the first time. No, whatever, I can now use the program, but I will not open the program from here. I will open the program from Unity. So it's okay, and here I can see install complete. In the next video I will teach you how to open Unity program for the first time. So wait me in the next video, and goodbye.